I'm honestly scared. This is box 1 of tops.
You've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again.
Hey, hi, hello, it's RebeccaMarie. Welcome to or back to my channel. Today this is a new video for me that I haven't filmed before, but I am so excited as I used to love watching these videos, so I was like, why wouldn't I make one? But yeah, it's just clearing out my closet, trying on everything I own, and this video is going to be about all of my tops. So stay tuned if you want to see what I have in my incredibly full closet, or want to see what you can get your hands on my Depop. But yeah, okay, let's get into it. Obviously this one's first. This was thrifted, it's just a scarf top, but I literally am obsessed with this because you can wear it 2 ways. Because it's got like purple with the pink flower on one side and navy on the other, so like makes it very easy to wear. Okay, cue the montage of literally everything. Let's go.
There'll be girls across the nation that'll eat this up. Babe, I know that it's you, so but could you bottle it up? Get down to the heart of it. No, it's my heart, your shit out of your life. Don't make me tell you again. Woo! Love, love, love.
Do it for the love, yes I do. So you don't care about the money, well yes it's true. And I'm so blessed to be fulfilling my destiny. All material things could mean less to me. Only thing I ever could need is a Sarah B sample with a dope ass beat. And get the mic check, all the levels right. And if it's good then I'll be here for several nights. Cause the only thing I need is a strong supporting team. The most important thing that helps supporting my dream. And I can't forget my family, helping keep my sanity. No matter what I do, I know they'll always stand for me. No matter what I do, I know they'll always stand for me. Yeah. Cause I can only do me, that's all I know. Dodge the difficulties and take life slow. And if I ever slow up, you know I always show up. It's still the same on me, even if I blow up. Love is what I do it for, love is why I'm rapping. Love is the main reason for how all this happened. Love for all my fans, love for all the shows. Got love for all my memories, no matter where I go. Even if I'm out to nothing, I know there's always something. It's not a fitness test, but it'll always keep me running. One good thing about music, when it hits you feel no pain. So I keep it close to me, make sure it never goes away. From the start, I knew it in my heart. If I made one person happy, then I know I did my part. Now, if I stay into it, and people dig the music I put on for my cities, and know I always do it for love. Yeah, I put on for my cities, and know I always do it for love. I do it for love. What you do it for? I do it for love, for love, for love, for love. I do it for love. I do it for love. Love is the game. No flash. I do it for love. I do it for love. Love is the game. No flash. I do it for love. I do it for love.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. You've been sending flowers.
That's all of my bodysuits that I have, all 4 of them. Yeah, that's kind of like all my tops. But yeah, I'll be back next week with another video. Bye!